Okay, we're starting lesson 5, which is graph ratio tables today. So, you know the ratio tables that we did yesterday? We're going to take those, change them into ordered pairs, and put them on a graph. First, let's start with this right up here. This is called a coordinate plane. How many people have seen a coordinate plane before? Good, because everyone in the state of Missouri is in 5th grade. So even if you didn't come from the school, if you're from Missouri, you have seen them. Okay, this line right here is called the y-axis. Not axis, sorry. It goes straight up and down. This point where 0, 0 is called the origin. Good job. This line that goes this way, what do you think that's called?
X-axis.
X-axis. Who thinks they know what this is called right here? The something pair. Logan?
Ordered pair.
Ordered pair. Okay. So far, so easy, right? All we have to do is label. Review from 5th grade. This right here is an ordered pair. This first number is the x coordinate, and the second number is the y coordinate. Think about it like it's the opposite. X comes before y, so the x coordinate is first, the y coordinate is second. You can use an ordered pair to name any point on the coordinate plane. The first number in an ordered pair is the x coordinate, just like we discussed. And the second number is the y coordinate. You can express information in a table as a set of ordered pairs. To see patterns, we're going to graph them on the coordinate plane. How many people have graphed on the coordinate plane before? Okay. I think every hand should be going up because you all have. Saw some people writing, right? Can I go on? Okay, let's look at our first question. Says the table shows Gloria's earnings for 1, 2, and 3 hours. So hours, we have 1, 2, 3. The table also lists this information as ordered pairs. So the first column is the X number. The money column, do you see that's the Y? So to make an ordered pair, you take the first number and put it together with the second number. They need to be in parentheses and with a comma between them. Do you see how they have that there? This table's already done for us, so that's nice, right? Now we're going to put this column of ordered pairs onto the graph. So we have 1, 5. I always teach it as you have to run before you jump, right? Because you don't want to jump then run. That looks really silly. So you run, then jump. So I'm going to run to 1 and jump up to 5, which is between 4 and 6. Then I'm going to run to 2 and jump up to 10. Then I'm going to run to 3 and jump up all the way to 15. I'm going to connect my lines as straight as I possibly can. Is it okay if it's not all the way perfect? Yes. Some of you like it perfect. If you want to pull out a handy dandy ruler or like a book page or something and make it straight, you can do that. Okay, so that was A. We graphed the ordered pairs, and now we have to describe the pattern in the graph. So what does the graph increase by each time? Brennan? 5. We didn't even need this to look at it. All we had to do was be like 5, 10, 15, right? So it increases by 5 what? Dollars. That's all you have to write to describe it. Are there any questions so far? So really it's not like any math at all, is it?
No.
No.
It's technically review.
This is a review lesson, yeah. Because you did this all in 5th grade. Can I flip it?
Yeah.
Hey, we're going on the back today too.
Great.
Hey. Now we're gonna have to compare ratios. That just means we're gonna take 2 tables and put them on the same graph. So we need to make sure we label so we can tell the lines apart. You can use tables and graphs to compare ratios. The greater the ratio, the steeper the line will appear. Two friends are saving money, are each saving money in their bank account. Marcus saves $10 each week, while David saves $15 each week. So we need to make Marcus's frequency table and then David's, okay? So how much does Marcus make each week? What does it say up here? Ellen?
$10.
10. So 1, he made 10. 2 weeks, how much money did he have then? 20. What comes next, guys? And then, okay. Now we're going to do I'll zoom in real close so you can see, the ordered pairs. You have your parentheses and your comma in between. Make sure you put that comma in between, otherwise it looks like one giant number. So, to do the ordered pairs, we take the first number, put it first, take the second number, put it second. So who thinks they know what the next ordered pair is going to be? Emily? 220. Ava, what about the third one?
330.
And who can tell me the fourth one? Trinity?
440.
440. So the first number is the X number, the second number is the Y number. Questions about Marcus's table. Okay, we're going to move to David. How much did he make each week? Trevor? 15. So in 1 week he made 15. In 2 weeks, how much did he make? Helen? 30. What about 3 weeks? Lucas?
45.
45. And in 4 weeks, Trinity? 60. How do we know what we need to go up by each time? Ava?
It says how much they made, and then it shows the week.
So it's at $15 every week, so we just count up by 15 each time, right?
Okay.
Who thinks they know the ordered pair for this first one, Logan H?
1 and 15.
Good. What about the second one? Carter? Good. The third one, Sisto?
3, 45.
Thank you for putting that comment in. And Dalton?
4, 60.
Good. Okay, so we're done with our tables. Now we're going to take these numbers, these ordered pairs, and put them on our graph down here. Okay? So, if you have like a pen or something, or 2 different color pencils, I would suggest that. You just have a pencil, then we're just going to label the lines. Why do you think I'm asking you to get 2 different colors out? What do you think, Brennan? So we can tell them apart. If you just have a pencil, you're just going to label one Marcus and one David, okay? So, I'm going to run to what? Anyone know what I'm going to first in my first ordered pair? Logan?
1 and 10.
I'm running to 1, I'm jumping to 10. Then I'm going to run to 2 and jump up to 20. I'm just taking this information right here. And I'm going to run to 3 and jump to 30. Then run to 4 and jump to 40. Then I'm going to connect my line. I'm going to label it M for Marcus. If you just have a pencil, all you have to do is write M for Marcus. Sometimes the colors make it a lot nicer, doesn't it? Fun, artsy. Questions on how we put the ordered pairs on the line. Okay. Our next one is going to be David. We're going to run to 15 and jump to 15. Run to 1, sorry. And jump to 15, which is halfway between 10 and 20, right? Then we're going to run to 2 and jump to what?
30.
Then what am I going to run to? And jump to?
45.
So I ran to 3, and I'm going to jump all the way up to 45, which is halfway between 40 and 50. Then I'm going to run to 4 and jump all the way to 60. Then I'm going to connect that and label it D for David. We have one more question for this problem. And it says, how do the ratios of Marcus's savings and David's savings compare? So what we're going to do, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We're going to say how much Marcus earned, how much David earned a week, and then whose line was cheaper. So how much did Marcus earn each week? Ava. Marcus earned $10 a week, right?
Can we say M?
No. And then David earned how much, everyone? 15. So we say how Marcus earned, how much David earned, and then we're going to say who had the steeper line. Which one? David. How do you know it's steeper? How
Because David earned 15 week, and if you look up there, and week 4, he earned $60.
Yeah, so it's almost more. It's more vertical, right? This guy's like, oh, you want to be with David's family, don't you?
Yeah.
So you can earn $15 a week. So David has a steeper line. And look at that, we're done. What do you guys think? Yes. You feel pretty good? You did with pictures?
Yeah, with in science and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So now we're just adding numbers to it?
Yeah.
And you've graphed numbers before like this, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
Something's going to pop up.